Oh! Well, I think it's fair to say that didn't go entirely to plan. Hi, it's Todd from Todd's Workshop and Todd Cutler here, and I'm back at night with our trebuchet. So because it's night, there's only one thing we can be doing, and that's incendiary charges. Now, I really do want to do this in a medieval style, in a medieval way, medieval ingredients, so we can really get to see what it is. But at the moment, that's not what today's going to be. So this is going to be the first one. There will be, in a month, 2 months, a second one with proper recipes. But here today, we have a mixture of an oxidizer and sugar, fuse coming out of it. That's going to burn really nicely. It's going to be the core of it. But then around that, I'm going to wrap a mixture of cloth, sawdust, and then an accelerant, a liquid fuel. So what's going to happen then is our 2 house bricks with its bundle of loveliness are going to get lit, and they're going to hurl over that direction where we've got our night targets all set out. So our 10-pin bowling targets are still out there, which I failed to hit completely last time with the bowling balls. So we're going to try and see if we can deliver a nice burning pair of house bricks to one of them. Shall we go light something? Ah, just in front of our chaps. Lovely stuff, that's our first one. Absolutely brilliant, you can see it burning out there in the distance, just a little bit short of our guys. That is the story of this machine. Anyway, we're going to load up, we're going to go again. Oh! Have we got the broom? Well, I think it's fair to say that didn't go entirely to plan. I don't really know what happened, but I think the wire connecting the weight probably just gave way because the weight went backwards. I'll show you that in a minute. And currently my trebuchet's on fire, so excuse me while I disappear. So the first thing before anybody worries, this is 150mm square green oak on a wet day. I'm just not worried about it catching fire, really not. It's a little bit inconvenient. So I don't really know what happened at the moment, but the shot actually went backwards, which is basically what it means is that it slipped off the hook too early. Why it did that, I don't know. Maybe the linkage, the wire linkage broke. I don't really know what happened. You know, I'll post-mortem it and find out. In the meantime, I'm just going to wait for this to burn its way out, and then we'll go again for our last shot. I really wish this would go out. So I looked at the last one, and partway through the swing, the wire had broken, and that's why it ended up shooting backwards. So we've now got the last one of the night. I've made sure the links are strong, and hopefully this one's going to go forward. So here we go. Firing! Firing! So that's it for today, folks. Hopefully you got blazing trails through the sky. You got, well, drama as I have to set my trebuchet on fire. But we failed to get our nights again. I just guess I have to keep on coming back until we do. So we'll see you again another time. Thanks, folks.